Hey, what's up you guys? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do domain flipping and how you can make $1,000 per month with this strategy. So guys, I get this question all the time, right? They want to start making money online, but they don't know what the best method is. So guys, I'm going to bring you the best methods on how you can make money online. Now, this is a really cool method because basically we're finding domains that have expired and we're basically reselling them to make a huge profit. I'm going to show you an example of this in this video. Now guys, by the end of this video, I'm going to show you my exact step-by-step process on how to flip domains. I'm not going to leave you hanging, guys. I'm going to show you the exact process and how you can find these expired websites and then resell them, okay? I'm also going to show you how you can make money online without having to invest in any tools and how you can do this absolutely free. Of course, you still got to buy the domains, but I'm going to show you how to find these expired websites and then resell them for a huge profit, okay? Now, the main thing is like being able to sell these for a big profit. Yes, you can find domains and resell them for pennies, but I want to show you how you can make thousands with this method. And then guys, I'm going to prove to you that people are making thousands and thousands of dollars with this method. It's a great method if you're looking to, hustle a little bit, start making money online. Great side hustle. I've done this in the past before. And let me just show you guys. Now, if you guys are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But I have a ton of methods on how you can make money online, side hustles you can do, but mostly affiliate marketing. The main goal of my channel is to help you build a passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. Guys, I worked as an electrical engineer. I went to college. I got my degree. I had a job that I absolutely hated, but I started my affiliate marketing business in May of 2019 and quit my job in March of 2020 before the pandemic happened, or right as the pandemic happened. So guys, that's the main goal of my channel, is to help you guys build a financial free life. So let's get into it. So first of all, how does this process even work, right? What is domain flipping? How does it work? How are we going to make money? So there's basically 3 steps to this process. Okay, I'm going to basically lay everything out for you guys and how you can get started with this method today. All right, so it takes a little bit of hustle. This method is for my hustlers out there that actually want to make money as soon as today. All right, so step 1 is we're going to find websites that are expired. Okay, if you don't know what a domain is, it's basically just the website address, right? So like, let's just say ebay.com, right? Or amazon.com. Let's just say for some crazy reason they didn't pay their fees on their website and Amazon.com was free, right? That would be worth billions and billions of dollars, Amazon.com, if that was an expired domain, right? But obviously we're going to find these websites that are still profitable. We can buy them at a pretty cheap price and then sell them for thousands, okay? So that's step 1. And then step 2, we just basically purchase that domain. Once we know it's expired, obviously I'm going to show you how to find the domains and how we can figure out if they're profitable. And then step 3 is how we can sell them for big profits, okay? That's going to be really important, right? We don't want to just make a few dollars here and there. We want to make it worth our time. So this is the process. I'm going to kind of walk you through different methods, different ways you can do this and how we can get started, okay? And guys, these are just a few of the ones that have sold recently. Absurdly.com for $3,000. Achieve.com expired and someone sold it for $25,000. Executables, $5,600. So you can make a ton of money. I think the more research you do into this, the more you're going to make. And I'm going to show you how to do that, guys. So let's start with step 1, right? How do we find the expired domains? How do we find these kind of secret domains that we can kind of find and buy, all right? So if we go to a website called justdropped.com, okay, this is a great website. There's a few methods you can do, all right? I'm going to show you kind of the free method. I'm going to show you the paid method as well, all right? What you can do is it's going to basically find these expired domains. Now, what I'm going to do here is just start with the keyword that we can type in. So this is, if you kind of know what you're looking for, you can start with, let's just say affiliate marketing, right? So let's just say affiliate. Let's just start at affiliates, okay? And let's just see what we find here. And again, this is if you know what you're looking for. You can type in the search bar and it's gonna find all these domains with that keyword. This is a little bit more advanced because obviously you have to know what you're looking for, but this is kind of a way you can kind of just search these and all of these are available. So you can go and buy these. Now, let's just say this one right here, affiliatesunday.com. If you wanted to buy this, you can actually buy it from this website, Just Dropped. What I like to do is go to bluehost.com, and then basically you can actually go and purchase, here we go. you can actually go and purchase from Bluehost, and typically it's a lot cheaper on here. So if I go to bluehost.com and domains, I can type in this domain and see if it's available. Now, it may or may not be available because it just depends on that. But okay, yeah, so congrats. It's available, affiliatesunday.com. It's only $15, right? Or $24 it looks like. So guys, I'll leave a link down to Bluehost. I do get a cheaper price since I am an affiliate of Bluehost. I'm gonna leave that link down below if you find any domains you want to purchase. And this is a great place because you can also build a website with Bluehost on Affiliate Sunday, or on the domains that you found, which I'll talk about in just a little bit, okay? But this is just one way to do it, is typing it in, right? But if you're a newbie, you probably don't know how to search these domains. You don't know what to look for. So let me show you something even better, okay? So we're gonna use the same website, but we're gonna actually go to Daily Deals, all right? Now with the Daily Deals, they're gonna actually do the research for you. They're gonna find these high value websites, and all you gotta do is basically pay for the newsletter, okay? So obviously you do have to pay for the service. It's not that much money, but you're gonna get basically daily emails. Like for example, today, I got an email that these domains are ready, right? I can go and buy these domains. Now, of course, you can go and look at these, but these are probably all gone, right? Because the people paying, they're gonna get this notification first, okay? Now, this is up to you if you want to go and pay for this, if it's worth it to you. I believe it's 100% worth it if you're going all in with this method. But anyways, with this, all you got to do is see if any of these websites are worth it, and you can go buy it. So let's just do an example here. Let's go to, and these are probably all gone, guys, because this is a day old, but I'm just going to do an example here. Let's just look at, let's see here, headlight detailing. So that sounds interesting, okay? Right away, this right away sounds interesting, because I'm sure a lot of people are into headlights, right? So, you know, they want to get headlights for the car, or they need it, right? This is something that people actually need, right? So what I can do is I can copy this, and what I want to do is find the actual, what this costs, right? Like if you ever gone to Kelley Blue Book for a car, right? What is this website worth, right? So we can kind of get an estimate. Now I like to use this tool called GoDaddy Domain Value Appraisal, and you can kind of go and see what these are valued at, right? So it's going to kind of calculate it. So guys, look at that, $1,000 for this domain, okay? Another website, and I like to use different websites here, is sdbot.com, and I like to compare the two, like which ones are, and you kind of see the middle, right? And which ones are worth more, right? I think I've reached my daily limit here. I'm not logged in at the moment, but yeah, this is another website you can use. Another place you can go is namecheap.com. Now you can see here, guys, this one's worth $5,000, okay? And it looks like someone had already bought it, and now they're reselling it for $5,000, which is just insane, right? So you can see this one just dropped yesterday. Yeah, so yesterday, or today actually, and now someone already flipped it for $5,000, right? So you can see that people are making money with this. Now, of course, this appraisal domain, they said it's 1,000, so it could be more than the actual appraisal, and I just proved that to you guys, all right? So let me show you how to actually buy these domains at a cheaper price. Again, the first place to do it is like bluehost.com. Again, I'll leave a link down below so you guys can purchase this. I do have a special on this, guys, so if you want to get domains, you guys can go to Bluehost and do that. And then also going to allow you to build a website with that domain, which I'll show you in just a second, which is my more advanced method, okay? So that's how we find these expired domains, guys. Step number 2 is we got to buy them, right? So all we got to do is buy the domains, start stacking them, right? Start figuring out which domains you want. You can buy 10 a day depending on your budget, right? 5 a day, 2 a day, whatever, okay? I would start with a few, start getting used to the process, and then once you start making money, then of course you can start doing this full time, right? So step number 3 is we got to resell the domains, right? So there's a few different spots you can do that. My favorite is flippa.com. I actually sold a few websites here before. I used to have a drop shipping website, Conquer Fitness. It was some drop shipping store, and I was able to sell it for a lot of money on Flippa. So what they actually do is they go and sell the website for you, right? So if we go over here, you can actually list your actual website, right? So you can get an evaluation on it. You can go to services, pricing, and you can actually go and sell your website. So if we go to sell now, you can say, headlight detailing, and you can go and start promoting, right? So it's a domain here, and then let's go. And you can go and list the domain, right? Obviously you need an account and kind of go through that, but you can go here and let's just say headlights, and let's just see kind of what they're worth, right? We can kind of see lightsy.com. This one's worth 300, Lights Elegant. So let's do headlight rest restoration. Let's see if there's anything on there just to see like what it's selling for, and we can kind of go from there. So UV, so there's actually nothing on that, which is good because I mean you could probably sell this for, you know, a lot of money. Now here's one. Okay, this is 25,000. Nothing here on the actual headlight restoration, but you can kind of see what things are selling for here, right? Now, you can sell actual domains on here, so you can go and actually sell the domain name, just the name. But what I like to do, guys, and this is a little bit more advanced, and this is my step 4, is actually create a website around that domain, right? So we know that the domain is worth, you know, lowercase $1,000. On the higher case, it's worth about almost $5,000, okay? So how can we increase the worth of this website, right? Instead of just selling the name, and we can actually create a website around this. So that leads me to step number 4, and this is, you don't have to do this. This obviously takes a little bit more work, is we want to create a website under this, okay? So it's almost like finding a house, right? It's like a foreclosure, and you can resell it, yeah, right? Make a little bit of money, or you can go and fix it up. You can go and kind of make it better and then sell it for way, way more money. Okay, so what I would do here, guys, is I would go to Bluehost, right, and add the actual domain you're looking for, right? Headlightdetailing.com. Okay, it looks like it's not available. Someone already bought it. But anyways, you can go over here, headlightdetailing.com. You can buy the domain, right? Let's just say it's a different domain, right? Let's just say this right here, okay? We're going to go buy this domain. This is just pure example, guys. We're going to buy this domain. Now what we can do with Bluehost, we can actually create a website around this. Now, why would you want to do that, right? Because on Flippa, websites are worth a lot of money, right? So let's just say headlights, and we can find these websites on headlights, right? Or something even more specific. Let's do keto, okay? Let's just do a random website here. So you can see these websites are worth money, right? So this one's worth $30,000. Depending on the website. So what I would do, guys, here's another one for 12,000, is create a website around that domain, right? So we go to just dropped, we buy the domain. You can just resell it on Flippa, which is fine. You can make some money, but if you want to make some serious cash, I would go to Fiverr.com and go website design WordPress. And now once you buy the domain, hire someone to do this, right? Hire someone to create a website around that domain, right? So, you know, have them do the branding, have them do the pages, and have them, you know, add a bunch of things on there. You can pay someone $100 basically right here. And now you can create a website. And now instead of just flipping the name, now you can flip the whole website. Okay. So hopefully that makes sense, because now the offer is a lot better, right? Now someone's not just buying the name, right? They're buying the actual website, which is way, way more powerful, right? And people are going to be more inclined to buy that. So guys, that's going to be step number 4. Now, what I would do to step it up even further is create an affiliate website on this. Okay. So as you know, I'm an affiliate marketer, guys. So I love affiliate marketing. It's my favorite thing in the world. That's what I teach. So what I would do, let's just say we go to Amazon.com, right? And we go to Amazon, we can be an affiliate of headlights, right? So we just go over here and do car headlights. I can be an affiliate for all these headlights, right? Boom, 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 literally every single one. I can put a website together on this website here, whatever it is, Headlight Detailing, okay? I can create a website and then put all these affiliate links in here, okay, guys? So you can see now if people click on my links, I'm actually making money with this, right? And if you want to create this, you can either resell it or you can just make money as an affiliate yourself, right? So that's kind of my more advanced strategy, right? So for example, let's see, I'm gonna put best car headlights. Let's just give you an example of this just so it makes sense. Let me see if I can find one for you guys. The best headlight bulbs, here we go. Let's just see. So carbibles.com. So you can see here, these are probably affiliate links, right? So if someone clicks on this, it might go to, yep, there you go, Amazon.com. You can see there's an affiliate link at the top here. So if someone clicks on this and they buy, you get a commission. So guys, that's kind of the more advanced strategy, which leads me to affiliate marketing, right? This is the main thing I teach, right? This is affiliate marketing at its finest. You can go and find these dropped websites, see how much they're worth, create a website around it. You can either resell a website or just make money doing affiliate marketing this way, right? And this is a great way to do it. And I just proved it to you guys here, okay? So guys, that is how you buy and sell domains. Again, you can just buy and sell the name. That's going to be the easiest way to do it. And then use flippa.com to do it. Or you can create a website, which I would recommend if you want to make a lot more money. Now, guys, that leads me to my Done With You affiliate mentoring program. If you guys are interested in building a passive income business and how you can achieve financial freedom, I have a training for you guys on how I went from 0 to 6 figures in 6 months and then quit my job in 9 months. I'm going to leave a link down below. It's going to be the first link in the YouTube description. And then under that link, guys, is going to be my Bluehost link if you are interested in buying and selling domains, which is a great side hustle if you're looking to, kind of put in some work. But of course, guys, if you are new to my channel and if you've been here for a while, the main thing I teach is affiliate marketing, but I want to just bring out a ton of ways that you can make money. And this is just one great way that I've used in the past. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. And if you guys have any questions, drop a comment down below. If you guys have any specific questions, I can also reach out to you via phone or text. Just let me know and I can reach out to you. So anyways, you guys have a good day and God bless.